Welcome. If you want to change the default application in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, for the first, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter apps. Let's tap on the manage apps. Click right here, then tap on the default apps. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that we can change. Maybe we can try with the browser or the launcher. Or maybe we can go for the gallery, and we can select that we want to show it from the file manager or the gallery. So I think that I will set it up on the gallery, and when we can come back from the browser, and as you can see right now we cannot set up other browser because on our smartphone we only got the Google Chrome. So if you want to change it for the other, you have to go for the Play Store and get other browser. Then you have to go back to the settings and select one that you want to get. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.